So you're interested in working in global health, but you're not sure what job opportunities are out there, and you're not sure how to best position yourself to make you the best candidate for those jobs. Stay tuned, this video is just for you. Welcome back to this Global Health YouTube channel. This is where we talk about the skills that you need to be effective in the global health space. My name is Greg Martin. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the various areas within which you can find jobs in global health, and I'm going to talk about what I consider to be the 3 most important transferable skills that you need to be effective in global health. But first, a big thank you to the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine for sponsoring and supporting this video. I'm excited about having the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine as one of the sponsors of this channel, because that's where I studied public health, and I can tell you that was, without question, one of the best years of my life. The quality of teaching is absolutely incredible. You're being taught by world leaders in the field. The friends you make there will be friends for life, and actually they'll turn out to be colleagues for life too. You'll end up working with these people again and again and again. I decided to study at the London School because it has a reputation for being one of the best schools of public health and of global health in the world, and believe me, it surpassed my every expectation. Find out more by clicking on the link in the description below or clicking on the link that's on the screen right now. Let's start off by talking about how it is that organizations hire people. What is the organization thinking when they're looking at candidates for a particular job? When I've hired people in the past, I've always had 2 questions in mind. The first question is, what does this person know? What is their technical knowledge about the subject matter that we're dealing with? And the second question is, what skills do they bring to the table? What can this person actually do? Now, of course, it's possible to get a job just simply as a subject matter specialist. So you get a job simply because you know a lot about HIV or TB or malaria or non-communicable diseases, etc. You're a technical expert. And you can get a job just because you've got some sort of transferable skill that you can apply to almost anything. So you're a good epidemiologist or health economist. The best case scenario is when you bring both to the table. So you say, I know a lot about the subject matter and I'm bringing a skill. I can do something and make myself useful. So let's take a quick look at the various subject matters that you might want to develop technical knowledge in, and at the various transferable skills. And I think that there's 3 important ones that you might want to develop as you get yourself ready to apply for that job. So here's a quick list of subject matter areas that are out there. And by the way, as you look at this list, you should be thinking to yourself, these are the areas where there might be job opportunities for me, where these areas overlap with things that I'm interested in. Okay, they include HIV, TB, malaria, tobacco, non-communicable disease, neglected tropical diseases, pandemic preparedness, climate change and health, health system strengthening, access to medicines and diagnostics, human rights and health, complex humanitarian emergencies, poverty and health, nutrition, access to fresh water and sanitation, maternal and child health, advocacy, health policy, trade and health, M-health, E-health, and actually the list goes on and on. If you'd like a more comprehensive list, I've actually got a video on my channel that deals specifically with areas of interest in public health. And let me quickly say this, there is nothing in that list that I've just given you that you can't learn more about at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. They've got programs in medical microbiology, control of infectious disease, epidemiology, public health, and many, many more. Okay, let's get back on track. Let's talk about transferable skills in global health. Now, of course, this could be a long list, but I've narrowed it down to what I consider to be the 3 most important transferable skills that you're going to need as you're working in the global health space. Firstly, a good working knowledge of epidemiology. Epidemiology is the science that informs public health action, and it looks at the distribution and the magnitude of disease and the causes of disease and other health states. Secondly, health economics. And health economics is really about how we make decisions about how it is that we're going to use resources. We make those decisions as individuals, like as in, am I going to buy that chocolate and eat it? We make it as organizations, like as an NGO, do we want to invest time and money and resources in a particular program? And we make it as governments and health programs at a national level, as in, how do we want to structure the health system in a particular country? And the third transferable skill is management. And by management, I mean managing people, managing processes and projects, and managing budgets and resources. So what we've got here is we've got a knowledge base, we've got technical knowledge about various subject matter in the global health space. And we've got skill sets, transferable skills that we can apply in a variety of different contexts. Now, the difference between these 2 things is this. In terms of your knowledge set, you can actually get away with focusing on a very defined area. So you might know a lot about HIV and work in that area. In terms of your skill sets, I would suggest that you actually develop a working knowledge, a basic working knowledge in all 3 areas, and then hunker down and develop deep skills in one of them. If you want to learn more about the various areas of interest in public health and in global health, or the roles that you can play, or the kinds of organizations that are out there, I've got a playlist on my channel that deals specifically with that, so check it out. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're interested in global health. Until next time, take care.
Please hang up and try again.